There's some snort out of it.
Lethal.
Here, remember we did the Jubilee there, and there was a couple of people said you were wrong. Could you try not be wrong in this video?
I wasn't wrong.
Why? What's going on there?
Stiff pipe.
Straight pipe.
Straight from the engine out.
I was
You're
going to say
getting
that.
full bang. You know. Quite a nice wee bull burner. It's a lovely wee touch. I always thought it looked fierce welding. And then she's the center tone weight as well, which is a nice touch.
Well, aye, so that can actually tow.
Yeah.
What would you tow?
Anything you want, pull a man out.
I'd tow in your hole, so I would.
You would. I'd like to see you try.
Do you think I couldn't?
No, I don't think you could. No.
Yeah. Brand new tyres, BKTs all around.
Nice. She's the black step, that's another indication. But sure, you can paint them, I suppose, black, but no, that's the original seat. Ready to come with new.
She has the old sunroof.
Yeah.
What is the big deal at the sunroof in these?
Well, it just looks nice when it's up and that's a bit air in there.
Is that all it is about?
Well, it's up high, so if it was down low, if you open up your windows or whatever, if you were doing any kind of dusty work down lanes and one thing or another, the dust would get in, but there was less chance of getting in through the sunroof because it was up that bit higher, you see.
Please.
Just want to show the people at home these doors, how no rust, original, not painted. Them doors is original. You don't care, hey?
Hey, no. Hold on a minute. Who sources all this stuff?
I know, but you don't know what I'm talking about. You're shaking the head there as if I'm a fool.
No, I'm shaking the head there because you seem to not think that it was me that got this, yo.
See, all you do is slobber. There's the original back mudyards. You hear that?
I did hear that.
Original mudyards and not rotten here. That's completely original, not painted. Not painted. You see that? Take a look in there.
I did. Do you not think I looked under there when I went to buy her? You're starting to get my nerves, and I swear to God, if I snap or I flip, there's not a man in this yard to be able to take me off you.
No. May take me off you, because if I was on you, none of them could have had to lift me off you.
What's going on here?
Well, she's a sister which is common enough, but some of them don't have it. She's the original pickup pitch in her, which is a good pickup pitch. 2 spools. And she's a solid beam, Series 3. Remember I was telling you about that?
Yeah.
The wee windy,
The wee windy,
one, yeah. And then that there's for shifting your PTO. That wee lever there, you see this wee lever?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we mentioned that about the 7-8-10 Jubilee. This here for winding up and down your arm for ploughing, which was a great touch. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Rubber tails. Them cannot be got now, like.
Oh yeah?
Like if them there get broke or anything happens to them, they're not to be got. I tell you what I do like about her. See them with reflectors, a lot of people don't put them on and they're meant to be on them, it looks fierce well.
And why would it? Yeah, it does with the
Just
hook.
forget to put them on, back them on again, but it is nice, like.
With the hook of the hitch.
Oh, but the man that does the painting here is excellent, he does them, he touches it, looks fierce well.
Yeah.
I like that, you know.
It was my idea to do that.
Was it?
Yep.
You come up with a lot of ideas.
Are they? No one listens to me. What can
Did
we...
you get underneath this mudyard? See how clean it is? They show how good a tractor this actually is.
See, Johnny doesn't give me enough credit for what I know about tractors. I don't see many people messaging in asking, oh, Big Dog said this wrong and Big Dog said that wrong. Not up in here. So if the 7-8-10 interests you, the way it interested me when I went and bought it, the way it interests Johnny because he sat in it when he was a gassing, but young size, and probably...
Are you still talking?
Anyway, get across onto the website, get your ticket spot, and you never know, the 7-8-10 could be all yours.